Assalamu alaikum. This is Sharfaraz Khan, trainee of ISDB BISEW project. ID number is 1274333. First of all, thanks to our honorable consultant AFM Bakabillah sir for giving me such an opportunity to share my knowledge and experiences on software deployment using group policy. In this video, we will learn how to deploy a software using group policy in Active Directory domain network. In this way, from a centralized server, we can remotely install a software on multiple client devices. My video will be divided into three parts. Part 1 is deployment requirements. First, we need to install a MSI package software. Then, we need to store that file in a folder. Then, we need to share that folder. Part 2 is configuration process, where we need to create an OU or organizational unit, then move my client machine account into that OU. Then through group policy management, we will deploy the software on client machine. And the third part is verification process. Finally, we will verify the result and output of software deployment in client machine. Let's get started. I have already completed my first part. Here we can see in my C drive, I have created a folder named software MSI where I have downloaded Notepad++ software in MSI version. Here we can check it. Right click on properties, right click on it and go to properties. Here we can see the extension MSI. MSI means Microsoft Windows Installer. And next task is share this folder. I have already shared this folder. Let's check it. Go properties, click on sharing, and here we can see the network path. That means this folder is already shared. From here I have to copy the network path. Okay, let's move into the next task. From tools, select Active Directory users and computers. Here we have to create an OU or organizational unit. Right click on the domain name abc.local, select new and click organizational unit. Here we have to type a name for that OU. Let's type software deployment. Software deployment MSI. Click OK. Here we can see the OU is created. Now we can see our client machine in computers OU. Click on it and here we can see the name of my client machine MS1. For software deployment, I have to move this client machine into that OU is created software deployment MSI. Right click on it, click move, select software deployment MSI, click OK. Now we can see my machine is moved into that OU. Okay. Now from tools, we have to select group policy management. Here we can see the software deployment MSI OU. Right click on it, and create a GPU in this domain and link it here. Type a name for group policy object. Software D, click OK. Now right click on it and click edit. Under computer configuration, expand policies, then expand software settings, then right click on software installation, go to properties. Here we have to paste the network path that we copied before. Paste it here and click apply and then click OK. Now right click on it, click new and click on package and select the software Notepad++ and click on open. Here by default select deployment method is assigned, click on OK. Now click on it and here we can see the software Notepad++. From here right click on it, go to properties and click on deployment. By default deployment type is assigned. Here we can select this option, uninstall all this application when it falls out of the scope of management. It means if we delete this GPU or if we move our client machine from this OU, then automatically this software will be installed from that client machine. Click apply, click OK. Now we have to go for GPU update. From search type CMD, click on it and type GP update space /4 and then press enter. Here you can see computer policy update has completed successfully. User policy update has completed successfully. Let's move into our client machine. From here type CMD, right click on it and type GP update. Press enter. Here type Y for yes, then enter. My client machine will take a restart, waiting for this. Here you can see my PC is restarting. Okay. So after taking restart, here is my PC. So here we can search for NOTE Notepad. Here we can see Notepad++ apps is installed by using group policy. So this is the system by which we can deploy a software in our client machines from our server through group policy. Thanks for watching.